Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Coffee Chug back here with another quick little tip, this time focusing on the Google Chrome browser. Now in the previous video, we talked a lot about how to organize your extensions, make sure your Chrome browser is not pulling too much power from your device. We looked at going into more tools and then extensions and seeing all the extensions, how to remove them, how to turn them on and off. Well, today I want to take it a step further. And so we just talked about being smart about the extensions, but I want to give you an extension that I think is definitely worth having on your browser. And it's one that's been around for a long time. Many people are already well aware of it. And if not, you need to be, because this is a truly a game changer in such a small, minute operation of your Google ecosystem, but so vital to the work that you do, especially as an educator, between working with students and working with parents and being in meetings and all sorts of things. So the extension is Extensity. So if you were to search that, I'll put a link in the show notes as well as in the classroom for the training. When you install this, it gives you this icon. It's what I have right here. So what this allows you to do, as opposed to before where we were going to the three dots, then we were going to more tools, then we were going to extensions, and then we're going to scroll, like it's too many clicks. And I know that seems like first world problems, but it really is for a lot of us. We don't like to have to click and click and click. We just want to be able to things to happen right now. So what Extensity allows you to do when you have that installed is I simply click the Extensity icon and check this out. All my extensions are here. All my apps are here. I have a search bar, and I'm not going to go through every single feature. But for what most of you do is I have all these things on here. And what I can do is I can easily turn them on and off. So I could go here. I see that my Wakelet's turned off. I want to turn that on. I'm not sure why that's not. And you'll notice right there, now Wakelet is on. It's up here in my menu bar. The blue W is now bolded out. If I hit this, it disappears. So I can turn my extensions on and off as I need. And so you might have certain extensions you use for certain subject areas, some extension maybe you use when you're doing some live remote teaching now, and there's other things you want to just have off or on, depending on your personal life, things like that. So this is just a really quick way to get in, turn things on, turn things off, be in and out. So definitely an extension worth exploring. And so I want you to do is install this, play around with it for a little bit, see if it works for you, if it's a good use of your time and your tool and your menu bar. And if it is, keep it. If not, you know how to get rid of it between this tutorial and the previous one. All right, my friends, as always, stay awesome. Peace.